Peace, love, light, and healing. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, family. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Continue to support. And big up to Father Buzzer. Yeah, man. Father Buzzer from yard. Know him there abroad. And guess what? Them man, they always do them farming in them backyard. So guess what? We're going to show you what Father Buzzer give me for cook today in a today special dish, which is saltfish and some tomato well cooked down. Because you don't know the thing set. Yeah, man, say, with some grung provision. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Enough love. Alright. This is what we are working with today now. Some tomato, some saltfish, right? And some yam. Father Buzz grow them yam here, you know. And it's a piece of breadfruit this is what him give me. You see me I say? So everything him have him share, you know. So that we love with him. Enough love. Every time Father Buzzer. You don't know the thing set. Right? Some all-purpose seasoning right also. Right? Some cut up garlic. You understand? Some salt. Some olive oil. And have some wheat flour in this thing. Right? And some scotch bonnet pepper in this. You just me I say yo. So the thing set. Alright? And guess what? Pot they are bubble already. So sure so I'm not play. No further delay. Add a little salt, you know? Little olive oil. Alright, nice piece of yellow yam. And this will come out of the man backyard, you know, in America, you know, that me I tell you, you know. So you see, say, food can grow anywhere though. Straight food security this, you know. Secure your own food. Yeah. Real countryman style cooking them here, you know. You see me? Cut out the heart of the breadfruit or so. I know, so if you eat the heart of the breadfruit, you get coward. So old time people used to say, you know. Yeah. Sharing is caring. That's how we live. Right? I'm going to cut this. 2. You see me? Now I play with it, you know. And you see the white yam now? This white yam is very soft and very easy to cook. So if you put it in this early stage of cooking, it will be very soft and it probably just mash out in the pot. And you don't get nothing to eat. Alright, so this yam, we're going to put it in when the food almost finish cooking. Alright? So let me turn up this pot and let it get bubble. Bubble, 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 bubble in a trouble. That of the garlic. Got them tomato, yeah? Alright, the food look good enough. So we're going to add the white yam to it now. And let that cook. And meanwhile it is cooking, you have to keep a very close eye on it because you don't want it to mash out. Alright, and now I'm going to add the saltfish now. I'm going to add the all-purpose seasoning. And as you can see, this is finished. Alright. And this is also finished. So time for share. You see me I say? And this is it, guys. Right? Beautiful. A work of art. Yeah, man. Somebody with the thing, you know? Real home chef style. You see me? Yeah, man. So, peace, love, light, and healing. Thank you guys for watching. Yes, my family, want to continue support. Blairs, big up on yourself every time, alright? Enough love. Father Baza, you see how things set? Enough love. St. Elizabeth, enough love. Jamaica, enough love. Kingston, enough love. Every time. Yeah, man.